Okay, we tried shoveling through the snow, not working.
Not working.
We tried the snowblower, somehow the engine's flooded, it's not working.
Okay.
We tried a sled, he tried sledding out there, it's not working.
Yeah, so I had to go with waders.
We're gonna do waders and see if he can make it to work.
I'm still thinking the snow is gonna be taller than my waders. And I'm 6'2", so these are easily 3-foot waders.
Oh, they're taller than 3 feet.
So I'm gonna turn my phone on and we'll see what happens here. Here we go.
The efforts we take to make paddles for you, all you out there.
Here we go, let's see what happens.
Hey,
Oh, that's where I'm
I
trying
got
to
you
get
from
to.
behind. The wind is blowing like crazy, it's freezing cold. Here's where he started. Oh my gosh. Kyle is dedicated to getting these battles done. Oh man. Before he gets to the shed, it's like it's blown even taller over there.
Snow all the way up to the handle.
There's snow all the way up to the handle of that door, so he's going to have to walk around to the front of the building to the other door, and hopefully the snow has not blown that tall over there. Oh my gosh. Let's see if he can get through. Oh yeah, it looks like he's able to get through on that side. Crazy, crazy winter storm here in Wisconsin. Whew. Mid-February. And we're getting blown away. Can you get in?